Hey guys, I just wanted to give my little 2 cents on the Beard Struggle products. I've been using the Beard Struggle products for a few months now. My beard used to be a lot longer than it is right now. I had to trim it with summer coming up, but the Beard Struggle products still work good on a short beard. First off, when I'm in the shower, I always use this beard wash, the Freya's Bliss. That stuff is amazing smell. Lathers up really good. Can't go wrong with that. And then after that, I use Freya's Bliss Radiance Beard Conditioner, as you can see right there. That I use right after I wash my beard, and that works really well. And then once I get out of the shower and I'm getting ready for the day, first off I use my day liquid tonic, which is beard oil, Freya's Bliss, of course. There it is. Stuff smells amazing, so nice. After I use that, then I use some of the Beard Struggles Gentleman's Scruff Balm. Stuff is really nice. It emulsifies really good in your hands, and just like everything else, it smells amazing. There it is. Great stuff right there. And then to get the beard looking all nice and cool and ready to go, I use my Beard Struggle brush. There it is. Very nice. Boar's hair, really great. Does the job. Can't go wrong with a good beard brush. And then when I'm done for the day and I'm getting ready to turn in for the night, I use my Freya's Bliss Night Liquid Elixir right there. Helps keep the beard nice and soft and shiny and ready to go for the next day. So that's my little 2 cents on the Beard Struggle products. Like I said, I've used them for a few months now. Great products, can't go wrong with it. Definitely great smells from what I have so far. Definitely plan on getting more once I run out of this stuff. Give Beard Struggle a try. I guarantee you will not be disappointed. Thanks guys for listening, and stay bearded.